Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to enable gestures navigation in Redmi Pad SE. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, then you have to click on home screen system navigation, then you have to choose gestures and swipe down. Friends, I show you how you can do this is the preview also, how you can go to the home screen button by swiping up. Just click on next. And how you can open recents, you have to swipe upwards and just release the icon. You can see recent apps are showing here. Press on next. Here you can see when you just want to go back, then you have to swipe right by this side, and you can see just back. And friends, I show you when I just open anything like this, how you can, if you want to go back, then you have to swipe right like this. And if you want to go to home screen, then you have to swipe upwards like this. And if you want to go to most frequent app like recent, then you have to swipe and just release that button, and you can see recent apps are now showing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.